In this video, we learn how to resolve the file you are going to paste in your USB drive is too large for the destination file system. So hey guys, my name is Roman and welcome to Webby Digital channel. And in this video, we are going to resolve this error which you may get while you are transferring a data or a file more than 4 GB to your USB drive, and it gives you too large for the destination file system even if you have a space larger than that file. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it because you are going to miss so much about digital marketing as a whole. Or even if you want to learn about Windows systems or something like tech tips and tutorials, then you should subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So here I am pasting some file which is called images.seo.zip file, which is more than 4 gigs, and whenever I paste it, it gives me an error called too large for the destination file system. That means there is something wrong with this USB drive's format. So how to correct that format? Just go to your drive here. As you can see, USB drive 7.43 gigs are free of 7.43 gigs, and to paste more than 4 GB file you need to change the format of your USB drive. And how to do that? Just click on the format, and here you can see a capacity is available here, and here is FAT32, and you need to change this file system to exFAT. Why? Because FAT32 or NTFS does not support transferring a file of more than 4 gigs. So you have to either split that file to multiple formats using zip or WinZip software, or you can just change the file system to exFAT here. Let's change to exFAT system and click on start and click OK, and the format is complete. Now I'm going to copy the same file now into this, and it will start pasting it. As you can see, the file is 4.47 GBs. It will start pasting it using this particular method. So if you have learned something from this, click the like button, and if you want to see such videos or tutorials in the future, then you should subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.